everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be opening up another Ipsy package that I just received a few days ago. I finally had some time to sit down and film this, so here we are. So here's the latest and greatest of my Ipsy packages, and I'm going to open it up for you guys now. Get this open. So this month's bag is like a blue and black heart bag with like a gold zipper. It's really cute. And inside the card for this month says Happy Friendsgiving. So I'm imagining that this bag for this month is going to have a lot of like more neutral tones or more I don't know, neutral tones, and I don't know, let's find out. So the first thing in my bag that I grabbed is going to be this Pistache skincare pistachio oil pistachio body butter. It's a hydrating pistachio body butter, and it comes in this really cute packaging, kind of like what you see those like those kids apple sauces that come in. So it's really cute. I've never heard of pistache, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. I'm always in need of some body butter, especially in the winter, because my hands like to get ashy with the cold weather. So moving on, the next product is an eyeliner by Katherine Natural Cosmetics in the color Royal Plum. And this, sorry it's a little bright, but this is what it looks like. That didn't make it any better, but it's a really cute tube, and the color, ooh, that's pretty. Another purple. I got purples last month and getting purples again this month, so not sure if you can really see that. Sorry about the sunlight, but it's a really pretty purple. Alrighty, so now this may actually be a good like lip liner also, so we'll see. Next I have this Tarte High Performance Natural Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Quirky. So this is the packaging, and just gonna open this up and see what the color Quirky looks like. I've never imagined Quirky being a color, so we'll see. Okay, so it's the nude, like I guessed. It's like a peachy color, peachy. I don't know. I think it'll be cute. I'll play around with it, see how it looks. I like a lot of like neutral blushes myself. And then also I have this Bonnie Dew-Manizer. That's a cute name, by theBalm, and it's a liquid highlighter in all over illuminator. And not sure the color, I don't see it listed anywhere, but this is the container that I got today, and I will swatch it for you really quickly so you can see. Ooh, that is really pretty. This is definitely gold, so just look at that, and you can see how it looks. It's very shimmery, it goes on nice and smooth. I didn't really rub it in just now like I should, but that's just the color there. And then my last product is a lipstick by NYX. I love NYX lipstick. Whoops. I love NYX lipsticks. This is in the color Tuls. I think I'm saying that right. Tuls, Tuls 16. But it looks like a nice brown, and I like browns, and I have one today, my Fenty Stunna lip paint in the color Unveil. Yes. And so here's another brown that I can add to my favorites. If I can get the package open, I will swatch it for you so you can see what the color is, but I'm having a hard time getting this off. It's almost like it doesn't want to come off, but we're getting there, getting closer. Okay, there we go. So I got it out. So this is what it looks like. And this is the color. It's like a real like cocoa, like chocolatey brown. I really like it. I really like browns. But when I put it on, it actually looks like it has more like a burgundy tint to the brown. I don't know if you can really see that, but I like it. I'm gonna try it out, see how it looks. And that is it for my bag this month. So comment down below what you got in your bag this month, and let me know which products were your favorite. I have a feeling that I'm really going to like this Turnt Up lipstick by NYX. This is a new formula, I guess, a new line within the NYX collection. So I'm really excited because I've always liked their lipsticks. But yeah, comment below, let me know what you got in your bag and what products you liked, what products you didn't like, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.